Good morning. I'm on the way to Kelly Park Rock Springs. I'm in Florida, and to be specific, I'm near Orlando. And when I was doing research on what to do, because Tim has a conference out here this week, so I'm out doing my solo adventures, and I was researching what to do in the area and came across this place, and it looked amazing from what I could tell online. So I thought I would give it a shot, and I'm almost there now. This place should have some awesome springs. The water should have a beautiful color. There's also some hiking you can do. You can swim in the spring from what I understand. So let's go check it out.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto East Kelly Park Road.
So yeah, I had to use my navigational system or else I'd be pretty lost out here. Thank you for joining me today. So I made it through the gate. It was $3 admission, which is super affordable. It's a beautiful place. I'm down in the Springs area right now, and they have a concession stand, and you can rent tubes outside of the park, I believe. And you can also bring your own. So, and there are some rules and regulations, but basically this is what it looks like right here. This is really awesome. The water is really warm, and you can really see how it's streaming down this way. So I can't go up too far because it's too strong of a current, but it would be a lot of fun to have a tube out here. But even swimming is fun, and it's got a lot of fishies and beautiful birds that you can see right here. Very beautiful. Man, this is just so awesome, and I can't even believe I'm the only person out here today. That's the best part. So after I got done swimming, I felt hungry, so I decided to come up to the picnic area and warm up some coffee. I have a boiled egg and a banana. My trusty Trader Joe trail mix with nuts and chocolates, and some peanut butter. And I do have my gluten-free bagels. Everything I eat has to be gluten-free, unfortunately. And yeah, so I'm gonna have a little breakfast right here, and then I'm gonna hike. So come along with me, it should be beautiful. I warmed up. I had a nice brunch at the picnic area. I'm starting my hike on the Kelly Loop Trail, which on the map is the yellow trail. The lady at the gate recommended that hike to me, and it looks beautiful. It's got a really nice tropical feel to it. Lots of native plants. Is that beautiful or what? And they do controlled burns out here. That's very important, as it is in many areas, to maintain a healthy environment for plants and animals that live here. You can see where this was a controlled burn by looking down at the trunk of this tree. So once I'm finished with my hike, I will go back to the parking lot, grab my swim stuff, and come right back down here to this beautiful spot I showed you earlier with the kayaks, because it did warm up to 80 right now, and I'm gonna come right back down here and hop in one last time. Still early, might as well make the most out of the day. I don't know the next time I will be back down here, so I want to cool off in that beautiful swimming hole right there.